Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best folding saws options that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Folding Saws Options. Whether field dressing a deer in the backcountry or pruning trees in the backyard, a folding saw serves as an invaluable asset. Designed for effortless portability, the best saws are the ones you wish you had until you realize you already have it with you, and folding saws are an adaptable lot, thanks to both all-purpose and swappable blades. Of course, safety is key. Number 5. Tabor Tools Folding Saw with 8-inch straight blade. Throw this lightweight saw in your backpack or toolbox. This tool will be a great help in the bush for trail maintenance or while camping or constructing shelter. Main features: power blade for pruning, locking system, non-slip grip. Number 4. FloraGuard Folding Handsaw. The small saw fits the hand naturally and is designed to prevent dropping when loosely held. It remains stable during strong pulls, resulting in accurate cuts. Main features: ergonomic and comfortable handle, fully hardened stainless steel, 7 inches razor tooth blade. Number 3. Corona Razor Tooth Folding Pruning Saw. Co-molded handle provides a comfortable grip for extended use. Impulse hardened teeth for long service life, extends the life of the tool season after season. Main features: easy to latch blade, ergonomically designed, impulse hardened teeth. Number 2. Folding Handsaw Wood Saw Multi-Purpose 8 inches Triple Cut Blade. While many hand saws are made of flimsy, low-quality blades, Home Planet Gear's Eversaw Folding Handsaw 8.0 is crafted out of rugged SK5 carbon steel. Main features: high performance, truly multi-purpose, made of flimsy and cheap materials. Number 1. Baco 396 Laplander Folding Saw. XT toothing, blade is specially coated for rust protection. Equipped with safety lock for both lock-in and lock-out. General purpose folding saw within 7/2. Main features: 2-component plastic handle, 7 teeth per inch. Specially designed. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.